Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the Imperial Balloons channel, where we strive to make you feel like royalty during all your special occasions. So today we are going to be setting up for a first birthday party for a beautiful baby girl, and this is a color scheme that we've already used on this channel. I think it was a couple of months ago for me, but if we look at the uploads, it is probably like a week or two ago. We have all Sempertex colors: fashion white, fashion rosewood, and then we have fashion latte stuffed inside fashion bubblegum pink. That is the lighter pink color that you see here, and it is my new favorite custom pink color. We will be setting up a balloon garland, as you can see, and then we have some gold pillars that are gonna go with that, and then we also have a light up number 1, of course. So this was one of my bigger orders, and then I also had some balloon columns. She ordered 2 of them, and I have a separate video on that as well. Because I was still working alone, preparation was really important with this setup. So as you can see, I had already pre-inflated 2 pieces of my garland. I have pre-inflated my 5-inch decorators, of course. And then I also had to make my columns beforehand, which was a little bit of figuring out how I was going to do that, because of course it was in a spiral pattern. So I had to make sure that I put all the colors right where they needed to be. And then in order for me to attach it to the stand that I have, 1 to 3 of the colors had to be wrong, and then so that I can switch it into the right place onto the stand at the venue. So that was kind of, I had a little bit of a brain fart with one of the columns actually, so the spiral ended up messing up at the top, but the other one went perfectly fine. So yeah, that was something that I had to think a couple of times about on how to do that, but besides that, everything went really good. So this was the first time that this white round backdrop was giving me a little bit of trouble. I felt like it wasn't as sturdy as it usually is. This is actually made out of medium density fiberboard, and it damages really quickly during transport, even though I have a cover over it, and then it's quite heavy as well. So I was contemplating on getting a couple of those circular open frames and then buying covers for them, instead of having to carry around this huge, thick, heavy backdrop with me. Because again, I can set it up by myself, but it is definitely much easier if you set it up with somebody, but I don't always have somebody with me. So yeah, I'm definitely contemplating that. So if you guys have some good vendors where I can buy, especially the covers, I feel like the frames are pretty accessible, but like a really sturdy cover, I feel like Miami Event Decor has them with the zipper on it. Those would be really handy, and they need to not be as see-through as well. So I'm looking for some really good quality ones. Unfortunately, I did not get to film to the end of this setup. I had stopped the recording without knowing it, and then I didn't start it again. So I'm gonna insert some pictures of the end result, of course, at the end of the video. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave a like or a comment telling me what you think about this setup. And you can find me on all social media platforms at imperialballoons.ac. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.